Remember the jet bottle? Who wants to see that again?
Oh, I haven't seen that. What's the jet bottle?
What am I doing here? Filling it with oxygen, right? So I forced out all the old air and put in new air. I'm using a different kind of magical stuff here.
I don't see it, so don't say anything. If you put much. He's a pyro. But he's an expert at this one.
We're going to spin this up. We're going to get. What am I doing right now? What am I doing? I'm making the fuel turn into a gas. Okay? Now, if I've done this right, if there's a good mixture of gas and fuel in here, we should get a reaction here.
This one I like.
I love that! I love that. That is
Do it again. What the? It's hot.
What's happening?
Oh, there's suction. The heat is melting.
No, the heat is not melting it. What?
It is melting.
What?
The gases with the plastic, like the place they make it.
Well, actually what happened was we burned up a lot of oxygen in there, and now there's less air inside the bottle than there is outside. There's less air pressure, so the outside air pressure is pushing in on it, and if I do this, it all goes back in. That was kind of cool. Look at it. It's still burning.